Hi, Mum. I'm not doing so good today. I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed. I'm on my meds. And I'll be fine next week, but I'm not okay today. I'm doing a little better today, a lot more positive. The headache's back. Feeling a lot better. There's some colour that's returned to my face. The rash has gone down a lot. I'm starting to feel like myself. I'm starting to look like myself. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow.
We know how hard it can be to get better. That's why for 60 years, we've been getting better at helping make people better.